Feel free to pause the video along the way.
Burzerk.
Unpack the box and remove the packaging. If you have scissors, they are useful. Now you've got the bike and all its components ready, let's begin the assembly.
Let's charge it.
First component, the handlebars. Remove the 4 bolts. Add the handlebars and tighten the screws. Flip the bike over and let's begin with inserting the front wheel. Simply remove the packaging, line up the forks. Add the wheel, tighten both sides. Add both pedals and tighten. Onto the rear foot pegs. Unscrew the 2 bolts. Add the foot pegs and tighten. Push the caps onto the back wheels. Okay. Awesome. Great work. Let's flip the bike over and finish off the second half. Add the front fender and tighten the screw. The front light has 2 washers or spacers on the inside. Tighten the screw and plug it in, lining up the small teeth. Use one of your keys to unlock the battery. Slide the battery out. There are 3 screws for the rear rack. Unscrew them and add the rear rack, tightening the screws. Add the bell. It's looking amazing. Slide the battery in and lock it. At the back of the battery, turn the button on. Hold the on button for 2 to 3 seconds. You'll see the display come on. Congratulations! You're now ready to charge it.